Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green vegetables at home. Starting your own green garden is a rewarding experience, offering fresh, nutritious produce right at your fingertips. It's a fantastic way to save money and ensure you're eating healthy. Many popular leafy greens are surprisingly easy to grow, even in small areas. You can use various setups, from simple pots on a balcony to dedicated raised beds in your yard. Let's get started on your green journey. Choosing the right vegetables and location is key to success. For beginners, varieties like lettuce, spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are excellent choices. These greens thrive with about 3 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each day, making them adaptable to many home environments. Ensure your chosen spot has well-drained soil, ideally enriched with organic matter such as compost, to provide essential nutrients for robust growth. Now, let's talk about planting and care. Whether you're starting from seeds or small plants, follow the specific instructions on the package for proper depth and spacing. Consistent watering is crucial. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, applied 2 to 3 times. The best time to water is in the early morning, which minimizes evaporation and helps prevent fungal diseases. Adding a layer of mulch around your plants will also help keep the soil moist and reduce weed growth. Finally, the exciting part, harvesting your homegrown greens. Most leafy vegetables are ready to pick when their leaves are large enough to enjoy, usually within 3 to 6 weeks after planting. For a continuous supply, try the cut and come again method by harvesting the outer leaves first, allowing the inner leaves to keep growing. Always harvest in the early morning. This is when the leaves are most hydrated, ensuring the best flavor and crisp texture for your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.